Okay, guys, just after you left, it clicked with me finally. All right, prove that a four-digit number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits are divisible by 9. So, again, if I have a four-digit number, I'm going to use the number, I'm going to use, so the four-digit number would be something like A0, A1, A2, A3. And again, we know that if we take and we add all of these numbers together, all these digits together, we end up with 9K. That's what we got to. All right. So, and then that's an important first step here. So now we're going to do the next little bit of this, which is going to be you jerk thing. A0 times 10 cubed plus A1 times 10 squared plus A2 times 10 plus A3. Now, that's again because this value here isn't just A0. It's technically, it is A0 times, it's 1,000, right? So we have to recognize it like that. This is the part that it took me a second to realize. What this value, I could rewrite this as, is that would be A times 10, or times 1,000, right? A0 times 10,000. And that's the same. Well, instead of writing that as 10,000 or 1,000, I could rewrite that because 1,000 is 999 plus 1, right? And if I went ahead and I did that, the same idea with all of these other ones, I would get A1 times 99 plus 1 plus A2 times 9 plus 1, and then plus my last one, which I need to write as A3, right? So it's still the same thing. I haven't changed the way that those work. So if I then just expand all of these through, I would get 999 A0s plus A0 plus 99 A1s plus A1 plus 9 A2s plus A2 plus A3. Now I'm going to do some gathering here. I'm going to do this. I'm going to help it out with my highlighter. If I grab all of the ones that have a 9 and I pull them together over here, I get 999 A0 plus 99 A1 plus 9 A2s, and then I would have plus A0 plus A1 plus A2 plus A3. So I've just expanded, and now, sorry, I'm going to highlight this so it's clear. We have seen, come on, you silly thing. We have seen this once before. It's that. So if I bring this down, now we are left with, because this is the same as 9K, right? That's what we established at the start. So now I've got 999 A0s plus 900 or 99 A1s plus 9 A2s plus 9K. Well, what can I divide out of all of those? Let's write a 9. So I'd have 9 times plus 11 A1s plus A2 plus K. That is always divisible by 9. And that's the game there. So, again, we set up with the rules that they had. We have that as 9K. We then wrote these out, and then I just pulled apart that 1,000 to be 999 plus 1. Then I expanded, and I end up with always so therefore this thing is always divisible by 9. And then it says, hence identify which of these numbers are divisible by 9 without carrying out any division. Well, 3 and 9 is 12, and 7 more is 19, that's 27. So that works. 5 and 4 is 9, plus 5 more is 14, plus 3 is 17, so that won't work. So let me do it in red. 7, 9, 16, 27. This one won't work, but I think the other two will. All right, so I hope that's helpful. I hope that makes sense.